to the con.
Tired?
No, are you tired?
No, you're here. Where? Yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Are you camera shy?
You want to go inside?
The Tesla store? No. I'm at the Tesla store in Milan. Gonna buy an electric car right now. But wait, what's the area called?
Piazza Gae Aulenti.
Yeah, we're in Piazza Gae
Aulenti.
Aulenti. Aulenti. Close enough. I'm gonna work on my Italian. But look, guys, here's a Tesla store. And we're just gonna go on a walk, maybe get something to drink and do a little exploring. I'm with my tour guide.
Hi.
And
Hi, stop.
it's okay. She's gonna make sure I don't get kidnapped or stolen or thefted. I'm saying she's gonna make sure I don't get
kidnapped or
yes. Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from We're in a square. I stick out like a sore thumb. Everyone looks at me and immediately sees me as a tourist. I have my bodyguard. My bodyguard is protecting me. But we're gonna go get something to drink right now. We're gonna go to IBM. Just kidding.
I can show you their house, like.
Is that a Versace store?
No.
Or the company Versace? No, that.
Oh yeah.
That's a store or like the company?
I think I know why.
I'm not copying you.
Bro, why the?
I'm not copying you.
Just
Guys, we're in a historic.
Whatever you want. Just.
Okay. We're in a historic area of Milan, right? Where we just were was more like modern and I can't even speak English. Can't even speak English anymore. But yeah, it was more modern and new and like high tech. There was a lot of like big companies, IBM, Tesla,
This is more
Dyson,
bars.
Yeah.
It's more like socializing.
Yes.
Area. Yeah, that's
This
it.
is honestly like
Where
it's
do
a.
you spend your Saturday night? Like your Italian Saturday night, I spend
Here?
and then I go dancing.
Oh, that's perfect.
There are even like disco and stuff here.
Oh, it's beautiful.
In this area, so yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's the way to go.
Yo.
Is that pee?
No, it's the water.
Oh.
The clothes, there are.
Yeah, that's. What is that?
This is, I don't know.
Okay, guys, we're showing up. We're showing up to I don't know.
Oh, and there is Italy.
Oh, and oh shit, we're gonna die. No. When I saw it, I was like, oh, this is probably like some fake, like it's not real, like it's just some Americanized.
Bro, but look at the beach.
Guys, look.
Also, what I like
Italy's over there.
Italy and Milan is that houses, like that old houses and stuff. They're really like Milanese. They're so typical
Of the city.
Yeah.
Guys, we just took the metro and we're at the Duomo in Milan, Italy. I'm just gonna let the view do the talking.
Oh my god, look at that baby, look at that baby, bro.
Oh my god. Wait, this is crazy.
Yeah. Welcome to Milan!
And this is like the best time to see it at night when it's raining and no one's really here. We get a really good look.
Look at the Madonnina. It's like
glowing.
It's like 8 meters. It's like 8 meters high.
Yeah.
It's really huge. It's all golden. All golden. Yeah. And the architecture of Duomo, it's like the Gothic style.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at the Gucci.
Of course they have a store here. We're on that global life.
You wanna go to the gallery?
Yeah, let's do a walk. And then, time is it? 21:16.
Bro,
yeah,
don't
we have 2 hours. I read the clock wrong.
Don't worry.
And then, yeah. Guys, this is Milan, Italy, the Duomo. Honestly, in pictures, like pictures do not do this justice. I've seen pictures of it. It's honestly stunning. Just looking at it, IRL. And now we're gonna walk through this. This is a gallery?
Yeah, but Galleria Vittorio Emanuele.
Oh. Wait, this looks so amazing.
Like the most expensive restaurants and
Stores.
fashion stores like
Yeah.
Versace, Gucci.
Everyone wants to go
Vuitton.
shopping here,
Yeah.
basically.
Be careful of your things here.
Yeah, I'm holding on to my my camera. I don't think anyone will rip this out of my hand. Hopefully not. If someone rips this out of my hand, guys, leave a like.
By the way, don't worry because I'm gonna like keep an eye on you. You're a tourist, so
Yeah.
I mean, you have to
You know I'm
enjoy
a
it.
victim. I could be easily a
it's
victim.
like you deserve to enjoy it.
No, you're right. You're right. You're right. Guys, look at the sky. Subscribe.
Subscribe, bitches!
Come on, guys. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Thousands of miles away.
Look at the...
Wow. I just saw that lightning through the door. That was actually spectacular. Wow. Look at this. There's Prada in one corner, Louis Vuitton in the other corner. Yeah, yeah.
You wanna take a picture here of yourself?
Yes. Here. I just did a little quick little photo shoot right here in the Galleria in front of the Prada store. Where do you want to go now? Straight? All right, we're just gonna keep walking. Oh, guys, there's a McDonald's here amongst all the great designers. McDonald's is actually good. And we're ending the Galleria walk, guys. We're about to be toward the end. After this, we're probably just gonna walk past the Duomo again and maybe get a bite to eat and head back. Because it's starting to storm. Lightning storm. Peace, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed that walking tour. We're coming to the end where there's a Mont Blanc, and Montclair store at the end, which ends this Galleria walk. So these are all the designer stores. You want to come shop, blow a lot of money on some clothes, you come over here. Peace, y'all.